Hello, good morning, student. Till yesterday, we have discussed what are the different factors which affect the climate of India. There, students, I have left about the western disturbance. You must know, students, the western disturbance originate over the Mediterranean Sea and travel eastward under the influence of western jet stream. My dear students, as I have told you, that jet stream origin between the 27 to 30 degree of latitude. So in that aspect, if we see, we find there that it must strike to the state of Punjab and Haryana of our country, that brings the winter rain and affect the winter means season of our country. It usually origin from the Mediterranean Sea and through the Afghanistan, Iran, it entered into India. That affect the students, the winter condition of India. Okay, so you have seen that how these western disturbance affect the weather condition of our country. Later, students, we also notice there that easterly and westerly jet stream affect the climatic conditions of our country a lot. As I have told you, today now I am going to discuss about the various mechanism of Indian monsoon. देखिए द कंसेप्ट ऑफ मैकेनिज्म, जहाँ तक मानसून का मैकेनिज्म और बिहेवियर की बात है स्टूडेंट्स, ये पूरी तरह से किसी को जानकारी नहीं है कि हाउ द मानसून ऑफ इंडिया इज अफेक्टेड, बट मेनी ऑफ इट्स एस्पेक्ट्स आर स्टिल बीइंग रिसर्च्ड. ओके, तो व्हाट आर द मैकेनिज्म दैट वी नो that affect the Indian monsoon. Now I am going to discuss recent study, student. Recent study that the position of monsoon is affected by the different factors. First, differentiate cooling of heating of land and ocean. My dear students, in last video I have told you that air blow from high to low pressure, and we have also seen the unique transition of wind pressure in India, that during throughout of the year it blow to the means it blow students from land to the sea, but during the summer it get reverse, which brings rainfall in our country. Okay students, to differentiate in cooling and heating and ITCZ students, that we know that how these ITCZ affect the monsoon of India. What is the ITCZ students? ITCZ क्या है? इंटर ट्रॉपिकल कन्वर्जेंस जोन. Later students, I am taking you through the clip that will help you to understand weather students. Okay, let's see the clip. Let's see students that how monsoon is blessed to the date, and it is a magic students that brings greenery in our country. Okay, so let's see students how the monsoon occurs. You can see that air moving from the sea to the land, and respectively we also see it get reverse. Okay, so all through the air blow from northeast toward the sea, that brings the cold season in our country, but the very same time it get reverse and begin to blow from the sea to the land, which students bring cloud and cause rainfall in our country. Okay students, it brings rainfall. We know that during the summer, due to the apparent movement of the sun, low pressure is created over the Indian land masses, respectively it get reverse. Okay students, during the cold season, and due to the low pressure that arising to the northern part of our country, pull or attract the moisture from the sea that originated into the Indian Ocean and the Arabian Sea, and cause rainfall in our country students. Okay, so that is the conditions that get changed during the summer and the rest of the year. Okay, that students cause the rainfall in our country. You can see the apparent movement of the sun move from the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, that affect the Indian climate students. Okay, during the winter it plays to the Capricorn, and during the summer it plays to the Tropic of Cancer, which students affect. And ITCZ, you can see students, this is the ITCZ, which is normally formed at the 5 degree north and 5 degree south, and this ITCZ is later pulled and attracted by the means wind pressure students. See, you can see here the ITZ shifting the ITCZ. Okay, the moisture air of the sea pull the ITCZ toward the land surface of our country, which form the monsoon trough and cause the rainfall in the various part of our country. This ITCZ students affect the condition of monsoon in our country at the maximum level. Okay, so shifting of ITCZ determine the intensity of monsoon in our country, that how it would be in our country students. Okay, तो ITCZ आपको समझ में आ गया कि जो नॉर्दर्न एंड द साउदर्न एयर है ना, वो कन्वर्जेंस करता है इक्वेटर के पास में, ठीक है, और वही डिटरमाइन करता है। इसके अलावा बहुत सारा ग्लोबल क्लाइमेटिक इवेंट है स्टूडेंट्स, जो हमारे देश में मानसून को इफेक्ट करता है। आप देखिए, there are the periodic change between the Pacific and the Indian Ocean in low and high pressure students. Okay, so this periodic changes of Pacific and Indian Ocean is known as southern oscillation, southern SO students. Okay, so this is the periodic change that gets changed periodically after 3 to 5 years, which determine the rainfall in our country. If students we see the air pressure of Indian Ocean is lower than the students Pacific Ocean, the monsoon would be better. देखिए इल नीनो जो आप देखते हैं, तो एक कोस्ट ऑफ पेरू है स्टूडेंट्स, जहाँ पे वार्म एंड कोल्ड वाटर करेंट होता है। तो जब वार्म वाटर करेंट होगा, लालीना बोलते हैं उसको, है ना, तो मानसून बेहतर होगा। और जब कोल्ड वाटर होगा पेरू के पास में, गल्फ ऑफ पेरू में, तो स्टूडेंट्स वर्षा कम होगी। तो दैट इज द ग्लोबल इफेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स दैट वी नोटिस एंड दैट अफेक्ट द मानसून, एंड द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ मानसून लार्जली डिपेंड स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्रिएशन ऑफ द हाई प्रेशर। देखिए, अगर वार्म सी रहा तो उस साल मानसून बेहतर नहीं होगा, बट विद द वेरी सेम टाइम इफ इट इज कूल सी, अगर ये ठंडा रहा स्टूडेंट्स, ओके, तो बारिश बेहतर होगी। आप देख सकते हैं, है ना, क्योंकि हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर एरिया, जहाँ अधिक ठंड होगी ना, वहाँ पे हाई प्रेशर होगा, ठीक है। तो हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर में जाता है हवा, ओके। तो दैट इज स्टूडेंट्स southern oscillation that we notice here and brings a monsoon students. Okay, now come to the point here students. Now you have seen that how these climatic conditions and the global climatic conditions affect the Indian monsoon. Better students, we have to discuss that this point of the view that you have noticed about the ITCZ periodic change of pressure students between the Pacific and the Indian Ocean, and El Nino students, Gulf of Peru, that affect the Indian monsoon students. Okay, so these are the different mechanisms which affect the Indian monsoon. Now students, if you see, so usually the Indian monsoon arrive in our country in first week of June at the coast of Kerala. Okay, and later students, it is divided into two branch due to the peninsular part of our country. मानसून क्या है ना, कि पेनिसुलर पार्ट होने की वजह से दो भागों में विभाजित हो जाती है। ओके, साउथ वेस्ट मानसून और साउथ ईस्ट मानसून। साउथ ईस्ट मानसून originate from the Bay of Bengal and south west monsoon originate from the Arabian Sea, and this happened due to the Coriolis force which diverted the wind after passing the equator, and this diversion of wind caused the rainfall in our country. So first week of June students, we notice there it originate into the coast of Kerala, and later students it move through the direction of the western Ghat toward the Mumbai, and between in July students, these all two branches of monsoon, south west monsoon, south east monsoon, make the convergence over the northern plain, where it form the monsoon trough and cause the rainfall respectively into the different part of our country. Today students, this was what we have to discuss. Okay, You must know students, monsoon winds are pulsating in nature. Duration of monsoon is from May to September. When the monsoon arrives, rainfall may increase suddenly and it can continue for several days, which we call monsoon burst. Okay students, so we see that I was telling you that it students blow means parallel to the western ghat and brings the rainfall into the different part of our country, and southwest and southeast monsoon make convergence at the northern plain, which students simultaneously cause the rainfall at the different part of the country students. Okay, so means in the middle of the June these branches proceed further northward at arrive at Kutch. By the end of June, both the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal branches merge in the northern western part of India. Okay, so that was the advancing monsoon. If we talk about the withdrawal of monsoon, the withdrawal of monsoon is also a gradual process. Rather, it is slower than the advancing. ठीक है, जितना तेजी से एडवांसिंग होता है ना, उससे बहुत ज़्यादा स्लो जो है ये विड्रॉ होता है. इट बिगिंस withdrawing from the northwestern part of India by the end of September. By the end of October, it completely withdraw itself from India. In southern India, the withdrawal is rapid. By early December, the monsoon completely withdraw from India. Okay, so this was the students advancing and the retreating monsoon that we have to discuss. Now students, we will discuss about the cycle of seasons in means in next video, and that will be the last video, because so if we think about the season, तो we can recognize, अगर आप season के बारे में देखें ना, तो being a citizen of our country, we can recognize students that how season got change in our country. ओके आप देखिए जैसे गर्मी में किस प्रकार की स्थिति रहती है, ठंड में किस प्रकार की स्थिति रहती है, तो वी कैन नोटिस स्टूडेंट्स itself. It is not essential that go through the video. Okay, so that students was the that we have to discuss through this video, and I hope that you must misunderstood today through the clips students, and that I have told you about this advancing and the retreating monsoon, that would help you to understand better. Along with you will also students go through the self study, and you will see that how this happen. You will notice also the map students that is given to your book. Okay, आप मैप देखोगे कि किस प्रकार से जेट स्ट्रीम हमारे मानसून में प्ले करता है स्टूडेंट्स इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, है ना. तो ये व्हाट वाज दिस स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव टू टीच यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो स्टूडेंट्स. आई विल सी यू. ओके, हैव ए नाइस डे.